Tata IPL 2022, Tata Group to replace Vivo as IPL title sponsor. IPL 2022, Tata set to replace Vivo as IPL's title sponsor, so the IPL tournament will be called as Tata IPL. IPL 2022 title sponsor, Tata Group to replace Vivo as IPL title sponsors from 2022 edition, BCCI. BCCI said to earn in excess of 130 crores after Tata deal for next two IPL seasons 2022 and 2023. Vivo to transfer IPL title rights to Tata after mutual understanding and cooperation with BCCI and Vivo. BCCI stitches IPL deal with Tata's to hand Vivo a smooth exit. Tata will be the IPL title sponsors for the next two seasons, 2022 and 2023. The Indian Premier League, IPL, is set to witness a change in title sponsorship as Vivo wants to pull out. IPL 2022, Tata set to replace Vivo as IPL's title sponsor, so the IPL tournament will be called as Tata IPL. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and support us. Please visit www.ipl.a and www.crived.com for more cricket and IPL update.